This video is sponsored by Wondershare Mobile Trans. How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, if you own a Samsung device and if you have already got this update of One UI 4.0 or still waiting for this big update on your phone, then this video is going to be super useful for you. Today I will be showing you 6 important settings that you need to change in One UI 4.0. With that being said, make sure to watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, the first setting that I want to talk about is called Extra Dim. To enable this feature, all you have to do is open your notification panel, tap on these 3 dots, select Edit Buttons. Here you will find something called as Extra Dim. Simply drag it down and add this toggle to your notification panel. Once you turn this on, what it does is, it dims your screen beyond the minimum brightness. Basically, you can use this setting at night when you really don't want to disturb anyone around you. If you click below and go inside Details, here you can adjust or increase the intensity of the dimness, so you can go extremely dark. All in all, it's a very useful feature, and now you don't have to install any third-party application. You can easily enable this within your phone settings. Next, if you go into your phone settings, select Advanced Features. Here you will find a brand new option called as Labs. Just go inside and enable this setting called Multi-Window for all apps. This will allow you to access all the apps in a pop-up window, including apps that don't support this feature. Let me show you how it actually works. If I turn it off and then try to open Instagram in a pop-up window, I don't get any such option because this app does not support pop-up view. Now if I enable this option and try to open the same application in a pop-up window, I can easily do it. Guys, if you really want to improve the multitasking experience on your phone, then make sure you turn it on. Alright guys, before I move on with the next feature, a quick word from today's video sponsor Wondershare Mobile Trans. Mobile Trans is one of the best and easiest way to transfer contacts between iPhone and Android, as well as other types of data including photos, videos, songs, apps and more. All you have to do is just click on the first link in the description and install the software on your PC or Mac. Once you are done, simply select Phone Transfer option from the main screen. Now you need to connect both phones to your computer and select all the files that includes your contacts, photos, videos and any other data that you want to transfer to your iPhone. Once you are done, simply click on the Start button. It will take some time to transfer all the files depending on how much data you have selected. After it gets complete, you will see all the data has been transferred to your iPhone. I think it's one of the easiest way to transfer all the files. Make sure you check this one out, link will be in the description. Moving on to the Always On display, Samsung phone offers a lot of features and customizations when it comes to Always On display. But with One UI 4.0, they have added one more useful setting. So if I go to display, then to Always On screen, here I get this new option called as Show for New Notification. In One UI 3.1, there are only 3 options, that is Tap to Show, Show Always and Show as Scheduled. But now Samsung has added this 4th option, and if you change it to Show for New Notifications, then your Always On display will appear only when you receive any new notifications. I am glad they have added this setting because this will save some battery as well. Talking about the battery, if I go to Device Care, select Battery and go inside More Battery Settings, here we get this new setting called as Protect Battery. Once you turn it on, what it does is, it basically extends the lifespan of your battery by limiting the maximum charge to 85%. If you are a person who likes to charge during night, then I will highly recommend you to turn it on. It will definitely increase the lifespan of your phone's battery. Next in my settings, if I go to Display, Full Screen Apps and select Camera Cutout, I get all my applications that I've installed on my phone. If I want to hide the notch for certain applications, all I have to do is select the application and then click on Hide Camera Cutout. Now whenever I open that particular application, you see there is no notch at the top. Well, you can use this setting for any application and it works really well. Finally, let's talk about one very useful integration that will enhance your typing experience. So if you go into your keyboard settings, select third-party content to use, you will see Grammarly as an option which is turned off by default. Simply turn it on. Now if you write emails or any professional messages, this will definitely help you in correcting your typing mistakes. So that's pretty much it guys. These are 6 important settings that you need to change in One UI 4.0. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.